Making a bookcase out of wine boxes was a dream I had for quite a while, I think more than a year. But when I saw someone selling them on the internet, they were either too far away or too expensive. Finally, it was a friend who's working in a restaurant who gave me all these boxes, and first I thought there wasn't enough. But when I started to put them up, I saw that I didn't need that many. The space between two boxes looked like a box itself once it's all painted white. And that's how it is with all home decor. You have to try it out, even though it's not the right furniture or the right rug yet. Just seeing it coming to life will help you to confirm your choice or give you new ideas and inspiration. I put some stuff inside to see what it will look like, and that's when I knew it would be worth all the painting. But I also realized that I didn't want to use this furniture because I actually don't like it anymore, and I also find it too high for the look that I wanted. Luckily, I already had two pieces of the famous IKEA Bestow, one little and one big, and both of them together fit perfectly the wall. Wine boxes often have these clips, but they are quite easy to take out with pliers. Sometimes they will break and then you just have to cut them as short as you can. So the painting is over. The good thing is you don't have to paint the backside because it's going to be against the wall, so they're quite easy to paint. Now don't ask me why, but I forgot to film when we were building the bookcase, me and my husband, but what we did was very easy. You have to find boxes with the same height. They don't all have to have the same height, but at least the boxes that you use for one line has to be the same. Sometimes there is just a little difference, and what my husband did was to cut some small pieces of wood that he glued under the smaller box. It was this very thin wood that you will find on the back side of a furniture that he cut into small sticks. And for the depth, it's the same thing. They are very often not the same size. But of course, the side facing your room has to be lined up equally. Like that, the difference will be against the wall. And once it will be filled up with books and a lot of stuff, you won't really notice the different sizes of space. The way that our bookcase is built, we have two boxes on each side with no other box to hold it. So my husband cut these sticks that he glued on to support the box. It's maybe not the most fantastic way to do it, but we didn't want to make any holes in the wall. And once again, it will be filled up with books and quite discreet, I think. So all you need to build it up is some wood glue and a spirit level. The level will of course help you to make sure that the box that you are about to place is standing more or less as it should. And if it's so, you just lift it up a little bit to place some wood glue. And now the funny part of it, decorating my new bookcase.
Sometimes doesn't go to plan. You're thrown right across